Good afternoon, guys. Happy Monday. It is an off day for me from Starbucks, so I've been doing life coaching stuff, more like foundational stuff and behind the scenes stuff all morning, and also just trying to take care of myself a little bit, like just trying to do some journaling, praying, reading, listening to good music, just trying to sort through some stuff in my head. Can't help but be a little distracted by my nose. Like, guys, I've got like a Rudolph nose. It's so embarrassing. It's either like maskne, as my coworkers called it, or it's like a callus from working in a mask. But I actually think that it's like an allergic reaction to the mask that I was wearing, and it's disgusting. And I just have been putting like tea tree oil on it because it helps get rid of other blemishes. So now like the tip of my nose is crunching off like a sunburn. Ew. Anyways, definitely like working through some stuff. I have had a lot of time here alone to keep myself company, and sometimes that's a really good thing because you can do some like really deep soul searching and processing, and sometimes it can be dangerous because like you get lost in your head and you start believing all those crazy thoughts. So I'd like to think that I'm somewhere in between because I get little flickers of socialization. No, it's definitely nice to like work with others, get that social interaction and stimulation at Starbucks. And then try not to cry. But running has been a really good outlet for me because I enjoy like physically moving my body. I almost like need that outlet. Dancing was great for that. Dancing hasn't happened in months, and it's not quite the same like dancing alone in your apartment, although I still do that. And I'm gonna say that I'm still like, I think that my faith has taken a toll, like during this quarantine. God, not so much, but me, yes, like my response to God. And he's seen it and he knows that. And so, and yet like he has not left me. And he keeps like giving like little nuggets, like little bits of encouragement, like really, because of my friend here in Virginia and her friends, which are all connected to the same church, like I've not drowned. It's been a challenging transition, but you know, my needs have been provided for through Christians, through people that are connected to a church. So that's been healthy for me. And even though I haven't physically attended a church literally in months, I'm getting connected with people on their own spiritual journeys and with their own relationships with God. And running was a way for me I'm not quitting. It's a way for me to process a lot of stuff in my head and heart and run it out, think it out, pray it out, like push it out, like that, I don't know, the challenging my body. I need that outlet. And then God meets me in it sometimes and drops some bombs. And then I got connected with this group of people. And thankfully it was a positive experience, so I've stayed with them. And I mean, part of it is I enjoy the running. Part of it is I like push myself harder and farther with other people. And part of it is like, I get to socialize. And what do you know? Like, the one woman who we run about the same pace. Sorry, I don't have all the vocabulary down yet. We all have our stories, but she's in a very interesting place with God too. And we just kind of connected on that level while we were running together on Saturday. And it's just beautiful. It's just another way that like God is like saying, hey, I'm still here. So, I'm not gonna lie, like, it has been very hard. So, I will take anything that I can get from God, showing me that He's still there and He's still taking care of me and on my side. And so it's really beautiful. And now we just have this like added twist to our runs. Sadly, I have to run without her this Saturday because she'll be away. And then the next Saturday, she has to run without me because I'll be away. But that's where I'm at. I don't want to just like blab nonsense at you guys. I want to, you know, be real, be an encouragement. And I guess today's nugget is like, I've been struggling with God. He's not struggling with me. We haven't given up on each other. And I'm kind of over all this alone time. I'm kind of just like over it because some days are definitely more challenging than others. And after this video, I think I'm gonna, you know, go wander the woods, have some time with God, enjoy the beautiful fall weather, and we'll probably be in touch tomorrow. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.